Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to sound like an owl easily, and this will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. So if you want to sound like an owl, this is the video for you. I'll go over the simple instructions for making an owl sound. Okay, we're going to start off very basic, and then we're going to sort of work our way up to creating that owl sound. So first and foremost, the words that you have to say. Okay, you want to say the words who. So just literally say who twice, okay? And you're not going to say who twice. No, you're going to say who, that word who. You're going to say that word twice, okay? So you're going to repeat it, okay? Who. Those are the words you're going to say. Who. I know it's pretty obvious that you're not going to say like who twice, but you know when sometimes people make the jokes where they say this and then it's a joke. Anyways, I feel like I'm giving you too much information about that. I'm going to keep it very simple. You're going to say the word who twice in a row, okay? Also known as you're going to repeat the word who, okay? So you're going to say it and you're going to say it again. And literally that's the beginning. Who, just like that. Who. Okay, very simple. And the tone will go over as we get there. Okay, so who. That's the basics. And I feel like I've gone over that way too much, so we're gonna move on. After that, you're gonna take that saying of what you're saying, who, and you're gonna bring it higher pitched. Who. Okay, now what you're gonna do is you're gonna slow it down. Who. I don't know what I'm doing with my hands, to be honest with you. Okay? Once you're there, okay, you're gonna take that exact same thing you're doing, but you're gonna enunciate less. Less movement with the mouth, less movement with your whole enunciation muscle group, and you're gonna enunciate less. So instead of going who, we're gonna go who. We're not moving like the original way that we were. It's not the original way. The way before this step was who. See how much movement? We're gonna less movement, less enunciation. We're gonna go from who to who. Okay, who. Less movement, less enunciation. Who. And now you're going to take what you're doing and you're going to soften it. So we're going to go from who, and we're going to go all the way softer to who. And you want to find that sweet spot, okay? You can maybe hold the note a little bit longer, soften it up. You can figure it out with yourself what sounds good, because you might be holding it too short, you might be holding it too long with regards to each sound, okay? You might be just a little too loud or a little too soft with each sound, so you need to figure out your specific way that it's going to sound. Who. That is basically it. And you can change it to make it sound a little bit better. And you can just basically keep taking it and fine-tuning it until you sound like an owl, okay? That's how to do it. I don't make the perfect owl sound, don't get me wrong, okay? But what I do recommend that you do is go listen to a real owl sound and then take my instructions, which will bring you most of the way there, and then just fine-tune it to sound exactly like the way that you want it to be. I think I sound like an owl. You might not think so. I think I sound like an owl, to be honest with you. But you know, you might want to change certain things about it to make a different type of owl sound or to make something that sounds to you more like an owl. I think I sound like an owl, to be honest with you, but you might not think so. I'm not sure. I can't tell what you think, but I think I sound like an owl. But if you want to take it and fine tune it a little bit more, I would suggest you go and listen to a real owl sound. You can go find real owl sounds many places. So go listen to a real owl sound and then take where I brought you to with my instructions and then just make little tweaks, fine tune it to get to that sound that you want. I'm at the sound that I want, but you can take my instructions and tweak them, fine tune them to get to the sound that you want to get to. Okay? Very simple. That's basically it. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Hopefully you can use these instructions to make the owl sound that you desire, whether it is using my instructions directly as is or using my instructions to get you like most of the way there and then just tweaking and fine tuning some things to get it to sound exactly the way you want it to. Hopefully you can use the instructions in this video in some way, shape, or form. And hopefully you enjoyed the video tutorial and hopefully you just found it a great piece of content overall. But yeah, other than that, I've got nothing else to say, nothing else to show you. So with nothing else, we are going to roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more good videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.